दिया तन मन भाषा नाम, मात शक्ति करती तुझे बार बार प्रणाम। काशी काबा छोड़ दे मत कर चारों धाम, थाम सके तो बाबरे माँ का आंचल थाम। गीले में सोती रहे सूखे में झालार, माँ तेरे त्याग की जग में नहीं मिसाल। माँ बीवी और बेटियां तीन नार के रूप, तीनों में ही निहित सारे शक्ति स्वरूप। धन्यवाद। हैप्पी मदर्स डे, हैप्पी मदर्स डे।
आलू गोभी की शादी।
सब्जी का बहुत स्वाद बना।
She is presently working as Associate Professor in GCT Sector 11 from Chandigarh, and her husband, Mr. Manveer Sidhu, Senior IAS Officer and Principal Secretary to CM, Deputy CM, Chief Minister Sukhbir Singh Badal. I would like to invite ma'am for sharing your views to say a few words.
I know अभी यार की शादी हो रही थी and एकदम से बीच में चीफ गेस्ट की स्पीच आ गई, you know. I'm sure you have loved the performance and I'll make it very, very brief. I know how excited all of you are. First of all, I wish all the mothers here a very happy Mother's Day. And I congratulate the Managing Director, Mrs. Rekha Vij, the Principal, the Vice Principal, the members of the staff, and the lovely children for making all mothers, including me, feel so special on this day. And I also congratulate Mrs. Rekha, whom we all fondly, very fondly we call her Bhabhi Ma, for being the pillar of strength and being the inspiration behind this whole program and the entire concept of motherhood. I think all of you will agree with me that she stands apart as a symbol of selfless motherhood. The performance was brilliant. The tiny shots kept us in flicks of laughter. They were so amazing. They were so happy. They were so natural. The teachers were so helpful, and the entire program, it came across as a team effort, and the whole program and the school spirit is of a family spirit. And I think rather than learning from me, it is me who's learned something from here and gone. All of us know that it's a very common thing that God could not be everywhere. So that is why He created mother. And हमारी अपनी संस्कृति में कहा जाता है कि बच्चे भगवान का रूप होते हैं. So I think today was an amazing synthesis. It was an amazing combination of both, of the lovely children, their innocence, and the love and affection of the parents, the teachers, and the school. It was a very special Mother's Day for me. It reminded me of the unconditional love of the mother. And I was also looking at the handmade cards which the children gave us. And I think thought came to my mind that the only two hearts which beat as one for 9 months are the heart of the mother and the child. So I congratulate the whole team, I congratulate Rekha ji, and I congratulate all the mothers and the teachers who have nurtured these beautiful children and who keep up the spirit of motherhood. Thank you very much.